हॅलो मित्रांनो, हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द फायनान्शियल सिक्रेट्स. टुडेस लेक्चर इज ऑन ट्रेडिंग सायकोलॉजी. ठीक आहे. रिझन्स वाय मोस्ट ट्रेडर्स फेल. रिझन्स वाय मोस्ट ट्रेडर्स फेल: greed, no patience, no goals, not being realistic, gambling mindset, can't take a loss, consistency, money management. Okay. Greed. Many traders have a bad habit of over trading and are completely addicted to trading. If you find yourself placing more and more trades even after you have already gained a good amount of profit, you are probably greedy. You are probably greedy. As a trader, you should be satisfied with making small and steady gains rather than fast, inconsistent gains which will eventually fail in the long run. Remember, the more time you spend in the market, the more risk you expose to. The goal is to enter the market, make more profit, and exit the market for the remainder of the day. If you spend more than 2 hours trading binary position options, you are definitely greedy. Patience. Having patience is essential in trading binary options. In fact, patience might actually be the most important factor. You should keep in mind that trading takes time and the market does not move on your time. As a trader, you should be prepared to wait long periods of time for a trading opportunity, depending on your trading strategy. Many traders fail when they begin to create setups that aren't there. Thus, they are forcing the market. Goals. Having no goals in trading is like having no destination when you are traveling in a car. Many traders fail to realize the simple concept of trading. If you don't set goals for yourself, you will have no direction when trading and you will not know when it is appropriate to stop. When setting goals, you should be completely honest with yourself and know your experience level. If you have a small account, for example $200, you shouldn't expect to make $100 per day, but instead you should expect to make anywhere between $25 to $50 per day. In traditional forex and stock trading, this is considered a pretty good daily profit or return on investment. Being realistic. It is important when trading binary options that you be completely realistic when settling your goals. Many traders expect to become rich overnight and see binary options as a rich quick scheme. These are the traders that don't last very long and end up destroying their account. You shouldn't look at the other traders' trading accounts in comparison to yours. Every trader has different status if they were using the same strategy. As a binary option trader, you should trade with your mind, not your ego, meaning you should always trade at your own pace. Gambling mindset. Many traders believe that binary option is nothing more than gambling and should not be taken seriously. The problem with this is traditional forex trading is completely different than binary options trading. In binary options, we are trading against time as well as predicting market direction, and this brings the gambling aspect to it. The difference between gambling and trading is that in gambling you aren't using any analysis and are relying solely on probability, that is coin tossing. In binary options, we use high probability analysis in predicting the market direction. Therefore, We use high probability analysis in predicting market direction. Therefore, we are not relying so much on probability. Some new traders are allured to binary options because of high payouts in a short amount of time that it offers. This can be double-edged knife as it increases the risk of your losing money. So can't take a loss. In binary option trading, you should understand that you cannot win all the time. In fact, over 95% of traders actually lose the majority of their trades. Also, over 60% of new traders don't make it fast their first 3 months. Many traders expect for binary options to be easy, but in actuality, it is the hardest form of currency trading. Being able to take loss with separate mature traders from professional traders, because amateur traders usually give up after a losing streak. As a skilled trader, you should expect to have losing loading days, even a losing weeks in trading. But this should not discourage you or make you quit. It is important to always keep an open mind and remain positive. Consistency. It is important to be consistent in binary options trading. You should know as a skilled trader that not one single strategy works 100% of time. Often new traders search for strategies that are 100% successful and they always fail. Traders try different strategies hoping they have found the holy grail, and the minute their strategy begins to fail, they stop using it and continues the cycle. As a professional trader, you should have a multitude of strategies that produces decent success rate, meaning 65% to 70% accuracy. Just because you have a losing streak using a particular strategy doesn't necessarily mean that strategy doesn't work. You should adapt to that strategy or alter it to make it work for you. You should remain consistent and continue to use the same strategy until you perfect them. Money management. Having money management is one of the most important factors in becoming successful in binary options. Most brokers offer a payout of anywhere between 70% and 85% on standard binary options. Knowing this, you will have to keep a success rate of at least 65% to be profitable. This is where money management comes into play. If you are risking too much on a single trade, you will have to win a lot more on your trades, because one single loss could wipe out a series of winning trades. Let's say your starting balance is $200 and you take 2 trades for $5 with the payout of 70% per trade. At 70%, that is a $3.50 profit. Multiply that by 4, that $14 net profit. Now you place a trade for $100 and the trade losses. This will not only erase your winning trades, but it places you under the amount that you started with. In trading, you should only risk and the most 5% of your total balance. Okay guys, enjoy a lot. Bye.